ready to ditch the crypto confusion and finally buy your favorite digital coins directly from your Safepal wallet. First, unlock your Safepal wallet on your mobile device and spot the easily recognizable buy button right on the home screen. Tap it to begin your crypto buying journey. You'll now be presented with a selection of popular cryptocurrencies. Scroll through the list and select the crypto you want to buy, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you'll need to select how you want to pay. Safepal offers multiple convenient options, including credit cards, debit cards, and even bank transfers. Select the one that works best for you. Now, enter the amount of crypto you wish to purchase, making sure to stay within your budget. Then, if using a card, carefully fill in your card details, billing address, and other necessary information, ensuring everything is accurate. Before finalizing your purchase, double-check all the details on the confirmation screen. Make sure the crypto amount, payment method, and your wallet address are all correct. After you've reviewed and confirmed everything, simply tap the Confirm button. Depending on the payment method, you might need to complete an additional security step, like a 3D secure verification. And just like that, your crypto purchase is complete. You can now find your newly acquired cryptocurrency safely stored within your Safepal wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Safepal tips. Happy trading!